This tutorial is part 1 of 4 in the UT3 CSV series. This video will guide you through the process of completing a UT3 CSV template. Please refer to parts 2 through 4 in the series to learn how to save, upload, and submit the upload to University Lands. Part 1. How to complete a UT3 CSV template. CSV stands for comma-separated values. It is a file format used to store data in the structured table of lists. Microsoft Excel allows you to save your file in a CSV format. It is the only file format you can use to upload UT1, UT3, and UT2 reports to the Compass portal. University Lands provided reporters with Microsoft Excel template for use to upload UT3 data. The UT3 CSV upload also supports reallocations. In this video, I will toggle between the Compass portal UT3 page and this pre-populated template to illustrate the guidelines. Please follow these guidelines to create your UT3 CSV file. Step 1. Row 1 in the template identifies to which Compass grid the field columns below correspond. For example, columns A through C, company number, total oil, and total gas are in the Compass header grid. Columns D through O are in the Compass property grid. Row 2 in the template contains the names of the Compass fields. Note that to view the full column heading names, expand the column width in Excel. In column A, enter your company number. This company number should correspond to the company number in the UT3 Compass company dropdown. Agents should enter the company number for the company whom they are submitting the UT3. Every row must contain the company number. Note that it's not necessary to enter the leading zeros of that company number. In Company B, enter the total oil royalty amount. This is the aggregate for all of the check details containing oil payments. Upon sending, the summation of all oil royalties paid in the detail lines must sum to this value. The total cannot be negative, but it can be zero in the case of a reallocation. This total should match the amount of the payment made to University Lands. Enter values with a maximum of 2 decimals. In column C, enter the total gas royalty amount. This is the aggregate for all of the check details containing gas payments. Like oil, upon sending, the summation of all gas royalties paid in the details must sum to this value. The total amount cannot be negative, but it can be zero in the case of a reallocation. This total should match the amount of the payment made to University Lands. Enter values with a maximum of 2 decimals. Columns D and E should remain blank. Any data entered into these columns is not included in the upload to Compass portal. In column F, enter the university lease number. Note that for columns F through L, the property combo in the check details does not need to belong to the counterparty submitting the UT3. Any company can submit a UT3 for any other company's properties. However, the payments are only applied to that property if the counterparty specifies as the third-party purchaser on their UT1 or UT2 report. In column G, enter the RRC or the permit number. The permit number is used until the RRC number is assigned. Once the RRC number is assigned, you must notify University Lands and begin reporting with the RRC number. Enter the RRC code in column H. Enter the RRC type in column I. Note, this is not the product type for which you are reporting. This is the Railroad Commission's designation of the well type as either oil or gas. Enter O for oil or G for gas. If there is a unit associated with a payment, enter the unit number in column J. If a unit number is entered in column J, you must either enter a tract number in column K or a unit level disposition code in column L. Enter the production date in column M. Enter the check detail oil payment in column N. Each row can either have an oil payment check detail or a gas payment check detail, but they cannot have both. Enter values with a maximum of 2 decimals. In column O, enter your gas payment checked detail. This concludes the introduction to the UT3 CSV template. Should you need additional assistance, please contact your University Lands analyst.